Yo, ladies and fellas, this is Wednesday. I finally got the car to start Sunday. It ended up being crank position sensor. Don't mind the afro, I look a mess right now. It's been a long week. I had to take the braids out and shit, blah blah blah. So anyway, yeah, it was a crank position sensor along with a fuel pump and a lot of other miscellaneous things, to be honest. Really just a fuel pump relay, fuel pump, and then that. So I got a friend here at the track who has an M3 E36, and he let me borrow a crank sensor because he has one brand new, and he said to try it out and see if that's the issue, because we were getting spark, we were getting fuel, and nothing else. It just didn't make any sense. So yeah, once I plugged that in, my friend Ian brought his 350Z out to jump the battery for me. Yo, and it didn't start right up. It took a couple of cranks and it started up. I'll show the clips after this, but yo, I'm so excited. Like, I was bouncing around like a little girl inside. The videos that I took were not that good just because I was so excited. But yeah, yo, I have a running drift car. Now it's just a matter of time and money until things are ready and she's ready to have her first track day. So yeah, shout out to BMW. I'm hooked. So yeah, the cosmetics are not a big priority right now, but definitely eventually it'll need some great attention. As you see, there's literally mold on the door panels. Those are coming off. I'll do a deeper clean inside. Like, literally when I first got the car, it was way worse than what you're seeing now. If you look back at the first video, it was pretty nasty. So I did the best I could. And, you know, the priority was getting the thing to run. It wasn't making it a show car. But, yeah. The E36 freaking lives. Go.
Oh, you had to shorten it out with this thing to make it.
Yo, she lives. She lives. Yo, she lives. After about 2 weeks of trials and tribulation, she lives, she idles. She's gonna start getting hot soon though. Yo, it's gonna start getting hot soon. She fucking lives. This is a good example of perseverance, because, man, we tried almost everything, and now we finally got it. It was a crank position sensor. So guys, it's a little noisy where I'm at, but this was the problem here. Our crankshaft position sensor. It wasn't in this state when I found it, but I just basically finished it off. And a friend let me borrow a crankshaft sensor from an M3. As soon as I plugged it in, yo, the car started right up, as if it started yesterday. So, yo, we're in a great direction. I'm super excited. Now I'm gonna start making my list of parts I gotta put together to get her running properly.